Hey friends of mine, this is step 1 to the Mastering Your Year series. My name is Alina Dompt, for those of you who are new around here, and I love digital planning. This is a 10-step series, and step 1 is devoted entirely to personalizing your planner. This is essentially a quick and easy start to preparing for the year ahead, or perhaps you've just gotten your new planner and you'd like to start fresh. Right here is a great place to start. Now, I'm going to be using my 2023 planner, but you can certainly use any planner you want, and just watch these videos for the nuggets of wisdom that are scattered throughout and the random ideas that might just make the difference in how you are going to approach this next year or the next few months or even the next week. We'll start by downloading the planner from the Creative Studio library. This is just a reminder that when you purchase the planner, you are actually purchasing library access, and the library access lasts for 12 months. This includes all of the updates, the new stickers and widgets, and tutorials. You've already got a huge bundle of digital planning items to use from the get-go, and we'll take a deeper look into all of that a little later. Go ahead and download that planner, then upload the PDF to Goodnotes or whichever PDF editing software you own. The planner starts off with a beautiful linen cover, which we are going to play with a bit in a minute, but for now just swipe to the next page. This is your information page, or home base. Start by putting your name in the top box, owned by Alina Dompt. If you would like the handwriting to be more legible than your everyday iPad handwriting, I know I do, I'll link a tutorial above where you can learn how to create a handwritten font for free like I have done. Next, we are going to save the colors into our presets. This way, when we are color blocking or time blocking in our schedule view, we will be able to use the precise colors that match our time management tabs. This will make much more sense once we work into step 2, so stick with me. First, I want to get rid of the unwanted colors, and you do as follows. Next, you will want to add all of the colors that match the aesthetic. Now repeat with the highlighter colors. Lovely. Now we're going to fix up the cover of our planner so that we like how it displays in our files. I've given you 9 alternative covers in the color palette, but because you have full access to the library, let's go ahead and pull up the aesthetic cover kit. The lovely thing about this cover kit is just how versatile it is. You have 20 unique linen covers in different colors, 2 embossed fonts in gold, silver, and rose gold, as well as 20 embroidered elements. You can use these however you would like and with any other planners you have. Now that we have set up the aesthetic of our planner for the year, I want to make sure that you are set up for success. We will begin by subscribing to the email list available in the planner. The reason you will want to do this is so that throughout the year, when I upload new stickers and widgets to the library, you will receive them straight to your inbox and will not need to keep coming back to the website to find them. You won't miss anything. The next thing you should do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would do this for 2 reasons. First, I'm always uploading new tutorials for digital planning, and second, I am beginning live Plan With Me sessions this year so that I can grow closer to my community. Next, make sure to download your sticker book and your journals. The sticker book will allow you to better personalize the spreads in your planner, and it is also necessary to fully enjoy the functionality of the time management section and the home management system. I would also download the journals because you will have so many extra valuable stickers to use, even if you are uninterested in journaling or creating mood boards. Lastly, connect to me on Instagram. I share a lot of life's in-between moments here and how I manage to make the planning actually translate to real life and all of the chaos that comes with reality. That is it for step 1. In step 2, we will be taking the preliminary steps to managing our time for the year. If there is one step that you don't want to miss, it would be step 2. So stick around for that next piece of the Mastering Your Year puzzle, managing your time.